Hello there, today's project is going to be putting new caulking at the bottom edge of our Airstream. The majority of our leaks are coming in down in this area. Part of that is the gaskets from the rear compartment doors, and if you would like to know how you can fix those if you're having the same problem, I will link that video above and below. In addition to the gasket seals being garbage, we also needed to replace a lot of the caulking that is down at the bottom of the Airstream. What was previously used was like a silicone sealant and it was garbage. So this video will tell you all about what to use, which products to use, and how to do this project yourself. It takes a little bit of time, took me about 4 hours from washing the Airstream to completing the project. I filmed this video over a couple of days and I hope that it helps you. And if it does, make sure to give it a like and make sure to leave us a comment. We love hearing from you. All right, enjoy this video. To prep for this project, we first had to wash the Airstream. We just used some dish soap, water, and a scrub brush to really get into the cracks to create a clean surface for the new sealant. As far as materials needed for this project, it's not super crazy. You are going to need some odorless mineral spirits, a flexible putty knife. I used one that was 1.5 inches wide, a roll of paper towels, some old rags that you aren't going to be too upset if they get ruined, a caulk gun, a caulk finishing tool, and then you're going to need your sealants. For my project, I have an Airstream, so I'm going to be using Trem Pro 635 along with Parbond aluminum. So the first step is take some mineral spirits on your rag and just wet this area, kind of let it soak in. That'll loosen up any of the old caulk. After you let the mineral spirit soak for a minute, you're going to take your putty knife, this is a 1.5 inch, and you're just going to scrape along the edge, being careful not to make marks in the aluminum higher up. Right here, there's going to be a bead of caulk anyway, so it's going to cover up any of the marks, but you want to be careful you're not gouging anything up here higher, because those you'll be able to see. So I'm just going to take this, carefully scrape, and then you just take your rag and you wipe off any of the caulk that came off and the residue, giving you a continuously clean surface. Just keep scraping until the caulk is gone. It doesn't have to be completely gone. What you're trying to do is get as much of the old caulk off as possible, create a clean surface for the new caulk to stick to. So I'm just soaking this, just kind of putting it right here. This spot isn't too bad. Just use your brush judgment and get as much as you can off. All right, I'm going to finish scraping all the way around this Airstream, and I will come back to you when we're ready to lay the bead of caulk. After you finish with the mineral spirits and scraping, spray everything down with some water and use a little bit of soap to just scrub off the remaining residue, and then dry it. And then you'll be ready to put on a bead of caulk. Now we are going to be putting a bead of this Trem Pro 635 all along the bottom. This is the gray colored one, so it'll blend right in with the aluminum. And that will create a nice watertight seal down at the very bottom. All right, let's go get a bead. So you can see where the caulk ends and the uncaulked part begins. Starting to get more of a hang of it. It's going to dry nice and clean and be completely waterproof. And And that is the goal. We don't want any water in there. And that's it for today's project. If you would like to follow our Airstream build, be sure to hit that subscribe button and be sure to hit the bell next to it so you can be notified whenever we release a new video. So we have a lot of videos coming up for you in the coming months. If you liked this video or found value in it, be sure to hit that like button as well. And we will see you next time. All right, bye.